Hello, thank you for tuning in to We 3 Ride. We're out here today. It's a little bit cold. You can see my breath today probably. We're out here today with the KTM 1290adventureR. This happens to be a 2018 model. It's the one I ride. I love it. However, today, we're out here today to show you a very quick, simple, and easy little upgrade that's a great peace of mind. That's offered by the KTM Power Parts catalog, and that is the pre-filters that can go in here. They call them a dust protection in their Power Parts catalog, and that's exactly what they are. They're great for dust protection. We're going to put them in today. We're going to show you how to put them in, and the bike looks great with them in there. At least I think it should. We'll see how it is when it's done here. So let's get at it. Let's open. So this is the package from KTM Power Parts. These are the filters. Let's dig in here and see what they got. Lay them out. We've got these filters. You can see they're not really thick. They're just a nice foam filter. Help keep some of the dust out. And that's what they're for. That's what we're going to put them in for today. It comes with the filters and the hardware to install them, along with the wonderful Power Parts information and installation information, which if you get these you'll have it too. It's a very simple install. There's no reason that you can't. It comes in all the wonderful languages. So it looks like a big book, but really it's only a couple easy steps to have that peace of mind that you're not going to have a bunch of extra dust going into your intake. Now we can show you this filter does come apart, so you can get the foam out, clean it. It is cleanable, washable. There's a little tab here on the back. You can see it's got the hook. It goes right in here and slides back under there, and then the screw holds it all together after it's in place. So we'll get this all lined up and ready to go in. Now I'm going to take it. It's very simple, same thing. This big has a hook here. It's just going to slide onto the back here and lock into place. You just put it on in here like this, right up on the outside here, lock it into place. Now this is an Allen, it's not a Torx head like we used to take it out. So you will need a different Allen screw or Allen wrench to put the screw in. Take this one here, find the hole there. We'll thread that in, nice and easy. Just like that. Can't find the hole. There we go. It's supposed to be a quick and easy install, but sometimes you're going to have a little struggle. There we go. We put it in just like that. All right. So now here it is all done. Both sides are done up. And we've got ourselves a good looking KTM 1290 adventureR. Okay, it was always good looking, but that's a matter of opinion too. All right. Well, thanks for watching the video.